So I am back at our little cucumber plant, or not so little to be honest. It's growing well up our arch slash trellis kind of design, and it's going absolutely gangbusters. And I think probably what I need to do is research how I might need to trim it to make sure that it's not getting in its own way. But the reason we're here today, as the scissors would suggest, is we've actually got some beautiful little cucumbers here on the plant that I want to grab off today. And it is worth noting that our choice of cucumber plant was a pickling cucumber, because we much prefer pickled cucumbers. They're just a really, really nice thing. You can do an easy, quick pickle, and the advantage of a quick pickle is that it's just super simple. Now, they don't last as long. Normally, a quick pickle is for much quicker consumption, not being left in a pantry for years and years. However, I've had really good success with it, and for the pickles especially, it's something that I definitely think is worth trying and doing yourself. Because I don't know about you, but I went to the supermarket and I was looking through the pickles, and I went through every bottle that they had available, and they're all made in India. Now, there's nothing wrong with being made in India, but personally, I can't understand why there are no Australian options. I think that's ridiculous. I have to say, pickles are quite expensive to buy, or I should say cucumbers can be quite expensive to buy, especially little baby cucumbers. So maybe that's part of it. I mean, our country is kind of being destroyed by everything just being so expensive to make or to produce or to sell. And this seems to be the latest victim. And as a result, I'm going to be really focusing on making my own, because I think that's a better solution. And the times I've done it before, only twice, I was really happy with that end result. So let's have a look at what we've got here. Now, I reckon this is probably a little bit big, but we're not going to complain. We'll have to see how it tastes. It's got some funny little nibs on the outside, which I'll need to research and figure out what that means, whether that means I've left it too long or something like that. But because this is pretty prolific at the moment, we should be able to get quite a few of these. As you can see, like, that's a decent sized pickle. I should probably be taking them off a bit sooner. And yeah, if we can like fill a couple of bottles with pickles, that's awesome. That is so, so cool. And obviously this is one of the more productive parts of the garden right now. And I am being quite careful to keep up the water, because apparently that's quite important for cucumbers. And I'm also making sure that I give it that fertilizer to make sure that it's got what it needs to grow really well, because I'd like it to grow all the way across and over and down. We do have a little zucchini over there that it might have to compete with eventually if it gets that far. But for the moment, this is amazing.